Vale. Pues egia esan, ez dakit zemo zentzungo dan, eta guzti hori ez nago soitua ordenadorean jolastera, baina joko honek kriston grazia indit, eta orduan ba, a ber, pixka probatu dut hau lertzen duen ikusteko, partida berri hasikoet, eta a ber, lehenengo partidan ez espero ezer gloriosorik, espada hankasartzeren bat. Ja, bueno, a ber, partida berria. Itxen bai, hori, joku hau early accesen dago, eta hori, pues, hobetzen jungo dira, eta beste, eta, bueno, asuntoa da, gaudela kontrol gela batean, eta izan beharko gea nola baiteko telebista baten realizadoreak edo horrelako zerbait. Eta, pues, junberko gea kamarak hautatzen, elkarrizketetan, eta karetak sartzen, eta anuntzioak, eta, bueno, ikusiko dezue. Bideoak bastante absurdoak, marra ridikuloak, marra deigarriak dira, baina, bueno. Ni egia esan gehien bat kontrolaren mobidagatik nago, zen kasualitatez, pues, hori kasei nun, eta ardun, pues, grazia egiten dit. Vale, ba, hasikoet, partida. Nizerak egiten berria, vale? Vale. Vale, hauteskundeak. Ba, berez, oso kuriosa da, zen hauteskunden mobidak niri asko molatzen dit, osea, hauteskunde egun batean lan honetan egoteak, osea, ideia horrek asko molatzen dit. Mio, a ver. Vale. Vale. Ados. Vale. 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 Vale, kriterio handi diru gabe, baina. Bai, gora behiratu behar dela, vale. Vale.
Every day. You offer me prawns every day.
10 seconds, everybody. Tara show love.
You're trying to kill me.
And yet you persist. Going 5, 4.
Bueno, ondo, ondo,
Our main stories tonight.
edo.
Moving on up. The election
Next,
winner
it's going to be the
is
throw of the news
just
titles on screen too. There'll be a countdown, but I'll count you in as well. Just relax, mate. It's all gravy.
buys Honest Andy's Totally Independent and corners the flowered market. Top chat. Sports fans everywhere celebrate as popular footballer Johnny Hamsleeves wins Sports Personality of the Year. And a spoonful of sugar. Megan will be chatting with movie star Lawrence Bunderklatch about his new movie, The Medicated. And, of course, we'll be going live to advance headquarters to hear what the leaders of this fledgling party have to say on their historic
Right. Button
That's
two
all coming up on
in
tonight.
3,
National
2,
Nightly News.
1. Lovely, mate.
Vale,
Next thing is the throwback to Jeremy with button 1 when that globe in the middle shrinks down and vanishes.
Five, four,
Bit early there, mate.
goizegi, goizegi.
But first, the votes are in and it's a
Vale.
decisive win for advance. The landslide
Listen, mate, we often get a bit of interference around this time of night, so keep your eye on the machine
Vale.
at the bottom right. You can move that white dot up and down, avoiding the interference using the yellow knob or your scroll wheel.
of a severe lack of actual policies and of being deliberately wrong. The opposition parties have all conceded to advance's overwhelming mandate, but have yet to appear publicly. However,
It's going well. All you've got to do now is play the advert at the end of the segment. Make sure you don't play it too early or we'll all get fired. Now the clock at the top is counting you down to the advert. When it reaches 0, press one of the 3 play ad buttons over there at the bottom right. I normally play the first one at the first break and so on, but you can play them in any order you want. I'll count you into it as well, but keep your eye on the clock.
we're going live to
Bueno. Gaizki hasia. Vale, vale. Vale. Es que dauka puntu komplikatu bat. Bueno, orain ez da gehiegi nabaritu, baina hautagerokoan bain nabaritzen da.
Right, quickly, mate, look down under the desk.
Hautagerokoan, vale,
Videotapes on
bai,
the left, they're your
bai,
adverts.
honez hartzen.
Any 3 and load them into the machines on the right. When you've done that, look up to the front again.
Ezpa. Ez daukat oso argi nola egin behar den sartzeko hauek.
corn and mayonnaise.
Vale.
you know, seafood makes me buy pustules.
Yeah, I thought it might increase our viewing figures.
Every day, you offer me prawns every day.
Mate, load the ads. The broadcast is starting soon.
And yet you persist. Going five, four.
Right, quick as you can. Select screen 1.
Good evening, I'm Jeremy Donaldson. Our main stories tonight.
Okay,
Moving on up.
all good. Next thing is going to be the throw to the news titles on screen.
Vale, vale.
There'll be a countdown, but I'll count you in as well. Just relax, mate. It's all gravy.
buys Honest Andy's Totally Independent
A ber. Oain lortzen duten.
Sports fans everywhere celebrate as popular footballer Johnny Hamsleeves wins Sports Personality of the Year. And a spoonful of sugar. Megan will be chatting with movie star Lawrence Bunderklatch about his new movie, The Medicated. And, of course, we'll be going live to advance headquarters to hear what the leaders of this fledgling party have to say on their historic movie.
Right, button
That's
2
all coming up on
in
tonight.
3,
National
2,
Nightly News.
1. Now, lovely, mate.
Venga, vale.
Next thing is the throwback to Jeremy with button 1 when that globe in the middle shrinks down and vanishes.
Jokoan ikuste duten arazo bat, eta ez naiz nekatuko esateaz da, testu inglesez egoteak, eta nik ez kontrolatzak inglesez nahi du irakurri behar dutela, eta gehiegi iruditzen zait,
Here it comes. Switch to screen 1. Now, lovely, mate.
The votes are in and it's a decisive win.
gehiegi iruditzen zait.
The landslide
irakurri beharra.
Get a bit of interference around this time of night, so keep your eye on the machine on the bottom right. You can move that white dot up and down, avoiding the interference using the yellow knob or your scroll wheel.
Of a severe lack of actual policies and of being deliberately wrong. The opposition parties have all contributed to Advance's overwhelming mandate, but have yet to appear publicly.
Great, it's going well. All you've got to do now is play the advert at the end of the segment. Make sure you don't play it too early or we'll all get fired. Now the clock at the top is counting you down to the advert. When it reaches 0, press one of the 3 play ad buttons over there at the bottom right. I normally play the first one and the first break
Vale,
and so
hemen
on, but you can play them
egin behar
any
dana
order you want. I'll count you into it as well, but
da
keep your eye on the clock.
We're going live from Advance HQ.
zein dut. Baia. Ez dut ulertzen ze pasa zeiten hor. Anuntzia ze sartu behar da lehenago, ez dut ulertzen.
Under the desk.
Vale. Joder,
See a load
beti hemen egotea ere. A ber,
Pick any 3 and load them into the machines on the right. When you've done that, look up to the front again.
Ni berez, urrengoa da askoz divertigarriagoa niretzako dalako elkarrizketa. Eta elkarrizketan dia kamarak eta...
Screen one with the vision mixer and we're ready to go.
A ber,
Prawn and mayonnaise?
venga ba.
You know, seafood makes me buy up pustules.
Yeah, I thought it might increase our viewing figures.
Every day. You offer me prawns every day.
10 seconds, everybody. That's how I show love.
You're trying to kill me.
And yet you persist. Going 5, 4.
Good evening,
Vale.
Jeremy Donaldson. Our main stories tonight.
Okay,
Moving on up.
all good. Next thing is going to be the
Venga, a ver,
titles on
Ánimo.
screen 2. There'll be a countdown, but I'll count you in as well. Just relax, mate. It's all gravy.
Buys Honest Andy's Totally Independent and corners the flowered market. Top chat. Sports fans
Orain,
everywhere celebrate
bigarrena sartu behar da.
Johnny Hamsleeves wins Sports Personality of the Year. And a spoonful of sugar. Megan will be chatting with movie star Lawrence Blunderclatch about his new movie, The Medicated. And, of course, we'll be going live to Advance headquarters to hear what the leaders of this fledgling party have to say on their historic visit.
Right, button
That's
2
all coming up on
in
tonight.
3,
National
2,
News.
1. Lovely, mate.
Vale.
Next thing is to throw back to Jeremy with button 1 when that globe in the middle shrinks down and vanishes. Bit early there, mate.
Goizoi. Goizoi, bai.
First, the votes are in and it's a decisive win for Advance. The landslide
Listen, mate, we often get a bit of interference around this time of night, so keep your eye on the machine on the bottom right. You can move that white dot up and down, avoiding the interference using the yellow knob or your scroll wheel.
of a severe lack of actual policies and of being deliberately wrong. The opposition parties have all conceded defeat to Advance's overwhelming mandate, but have yet to appear publicly.
Great, it's going well. All you've got to do now is play the advert at the end of the segment. Make sure you don't play it too early or we'll all get fired. Now the clock at the top is counting you down to the advert. When it reaches 0, press one of the 3 play ad buttons over there at the bottom right. I normally play the first one and the first break and so on, but you can play them in any order you want. I'll count you into it as well, but keep your eye on the clock.
We'll be going live to Advance HQ to hear the co-leaders' acceptance speech.
And 3,
That's all coming
2,
up.
1, advert.
1 minute back, everybody. Jeremy, I need you to fill up the ads.
What wine?
Ondo sartuet, bai, ondo sartuet. Ondo. Bagoaz. Ja, ulertu dut zein dan interferentzien mekanika. Ez nintzen konturatu orain arte, da ja ulertu dut. Osea, berde horiek die interferentziak eta orduan saiatu behar da berdeak ekiditen, bale, ados.
Doing great, mate. But this is where
Vale.
it starts getting a bit trickier. This next sequence is what we call a multicam sequence because you're going to be cutting between multiple cameras.
Vale, hau zan, ondo ados.
A lot of it's
Mhm.
Interesting. 3. Don't stay on reaction shots for too long. A couple of seconds is usually
Vale.
enough. Then the audience want to see who's doing the talking, yeah? Stick to these rules and you'll be fine. It's not as complicated as it sounds. You've seen programs on television, haven't you? Make it look like those. Might as
Mm.
well get screen 1 selected now. No need to wait for the broadcast to start. Try and stay ahead, mate.
We're coming back from the break.
Vale, oraintxe
Quiet in the studio.
sartukoa eta lehenengo kamerakin sartu behar
10
dut.
seconds, everybody. Going in 5, 4, 3.
Welcome back to the National Nightly News.
Bueno, justo.
Later, we'll be hearing from shock election winners advance. But first
Get
off,
ready to go to Megan on screen 4.
Lau, bai.
is here with a star of both stage and screen. Megan?
Thank you, Jeremy. Megan Wolf, culture correspondent. And today I have a guest who starred in everything from Shakespeare
Right,
to
go
the
to Blunderclatch on screen 3 when she says his name.
by none other than Lawrence Blunderclatch. Thank you so
Ondo.
much.
Go to 3, go to 3.
Tranqui.
Switch to 2 for the wide now.
May I say, having you here with us is on my Mars.
Right, now just try and stay on whoever's talking.
Latest movie, which is called The Medicated.
The medicated, yeah.
Wow, what was that like?
Well, as I said to Peter,
Bueno, pixka bat luze juntzait.
Give us a look at Megan's reaction. Lovely. Now back to Thunder Twat.
worked with him on several
Yeah.
movies, all terribly successful.
Vale.
Peter, what a wild ride this has been.
Vale. Hor gustatzen zait.
That is fantastic. And am I right in saying that the character you play in this movie is quite an academic one?
Absolutely right.
Bue,
Science.
vale.
Challenge at all?
Uste dut ondo nola.
Applying. But seriously, yes, you're right. It was
Uf, ez, txarra, aukeraketa txarra.
role when I played Sergeant Brock Rockman in Bullet Man. You'll remember that was a true story. One soldier's fight for a love that surpasses all. A love, of course, for free love, of course. I think it's grossed over $1 billion.
Igual aukeraketa txarra izan da, porque igual ez plan hoberena.
Saw you scoop 2 Best Actor awards,
Woof.
if I remember correctly.
So sweet of you to mention it, but I really am not in it for the awards, although those 3 little statues do take pride of place on my mantelpiece.
With all the others, I'm sure. So, if you're not doing it for the awards, what is it then that drives you?
That is a beautiful question, Megan, and not easy to answer. Like you,
Mhm.
I'm afraid. Cut me, and I will bleed. And often, that's how it feels, doesn't it? Doesn't it? Bleeding, giving, suffering for one's audience. I suppose in the end, I do it for the differences.
Ez dakit kriterio batekin iten nahon, Egia esan.
But most of all, I think I do it for the positive change that I can bring about in the world.
And today, of course, we're in for some real change, it looks like, in the coming few months. What do you make of this historic election result?
Oh, well.
Uf, hau hartu behar zan. Zen,
Election result. Indeed. Historic is the word. Well, difficult, isn't it? Very difficult. But I think I've always been quite clear that when it comes to politics, one should always strive to not fuck things up.
Shit, he swore. Oh, well, don't worry, he won't.
vale, ja, ados.
He did it again. Okay, don't panic. I'll explain how to deal with swearing at the break.
Medicated, which opens next week
Right,
around
they've swapped the shot of Jeremy on screen 1 for a VT of the movie clip. You'll get a countdown on the screen, but I'll just let Megan cue you in.
My character, Dr. Lance Hemlock, is faced with a decision that could affect humanity's very survival.
exciting stuff. Let's take a look.
Ze tentsioa, tío.
Interference, mate.
Ah, joder. Vale.
Cool, looks like
Guau.
She's losing it in the studio. I'd love to hear what he's saying, but don't switch to it now. You can go to the archive when the broadcast's done. We keep everything.
Know that.
Lawrence, we mustn't.
Buah, egia esan, movida te bada interferentzien movida, ni usten, osea, ez nion garrantzia gehiagirik ematen, usten nun aboleo zela, baina ez. Em,
You told me, but I didn't listen. I'm drowning.
vale.
Need to see this. Now it's all too late.
Egia esan, kostatzen zait, hor, iezin dit pixkat, kostatzen zait, atentzioa jartzea jokuak emateizkiten indikazioetan, eta, kau, kontua da, ez dut ulertzen, eta orduan, irakurri behar ditut, aldi berean, bi azpititulo, Vale. Ez dakiz ez hartu behar den, egia esan, anuntzio bat izan daiteke. No, hombre, no, ez. Hola.
Mate, get an add-on or we'll get fired. Guess I better explain how to deal with bleeping out swear words. As you probably noticed, the broadcast screen here is about 2
Woof.
seconds behind the master screen here. When someone says a naughty word, the bleep button lights up. Like
Ja,
this.
bai.
2 seconds later, you'll hear that swear word going out on the broadcast, and you need to hold down the bleep button or the space bar on your keyboard.
Ah, vale, space button, vale.
It can take a bit of practice getting used to hearing two things at once. Just stay calm and you'll get it. And if you can't tell when to bleep, just above the button, you'll literally be able to see the sound scrolling by. All you got to do is hold it down while the red bit is over the red line. Simple. Of course, if you do it by eye, you'll have to
Ojo, vale. O sea que, vale.
do it by ear. Most people like to have the volume of the broadcast screen a little bit below the master screen. Let's set it now.
Volumen en 1, Amen, vale.
Mate, if you don't turn up the broadcast volume, you won't be able to time your bleeps. Good. You're set to start censoring. Like I say, it takes a little practice, but I'll try and help you through it, and soon we'll have you bleeping like a pro. Remember, button lights up, count 1, 2, and hold it down. Remember to select screen 1 now that you've got the feed. Don't wait for the broadcast to go live. That's too late. You can use the number buttons on your keyboard, 1 to 4.
3.
Welcome back. And I'm told we can now go live to advance headquarters, where the two leaders, Peter Clement and Julia Salisbury, are about to make their acceptance address.
Cut to the outside broadcast.
Go for it, Pat.
Shall I start?
Get ready
Go
for it.
for it, Pat.
Thank you all for coming. Thank you all for coming. Where do I start? Well, what do I start?
They said we
What a
couldn't do
day.
it. They said we couldn't do it. Every dirty low-down lying southern bastard trick they had against southern bastard trick they had against
People only got
you.
this word.
Right
People.
through there. You saw
I'm
right
sorry about the
through
language
there.
there.
Sorry about that.
Hold it down for the hard
Sorry about that. I've had a couple of celebrations. Coarser than the grown is funny. Coarser than the grown is funny.
But to be honest, who can blame Peter for celebrating? Who can blame
Remember
throughout the
the
campaign?
10
You've heard us say that
Ay, ama.
when things are going well. A party's what you have when things are going well. Suffering. You don't need a party. When the country is suffering, you don't need a party. A team that can change things. A team that can change. But today is day one of a new future. A better, fairer future. A better, fairer. So perhaps we should all be celebrating.
Except for the rich. For them the party's over. They shouldn't. For them the party's over. They shouldn't be putting their shit in pants on and up in their dusty checkbook. Pants on and up in their dusty checkbook.
Again, not inaccurate.
Get back to who's talking.
Before we came out here to address the nation, we used our executive powers to pass the Assets and Wealth Act. To pass the Working with the Wealth Office, we have reduced working within the tax office. Every person in the country with wealth. Every person in the country with wealth into the millions.
Probably you rather you don't. Because the likes of you and me are not welcome in their gated community. Are not welcome in their
Tomorrow
gated
we will be
community.
introducing a sweeping reform of the tax system in this country. No more hiding wealth offshore. No more hiding wealth funds or creative accounting. Trust funds or creative accounting. Fairer, unavoidable set of tax laws. Unavoidable
So all
set
you
of
bastard public school snobs have got nowhere to hide. Have got nowhere to hide. We
to turn this country from a nation of warring individuals, to properly fund health and education, to raise the living standards of us all. The pundits said we'd have to raise billions. You'll see when we've reclaimed what's ours. That's absolute. That's absolute. So to you posh twats, the people who pay you a pittance to serve people who pay you a pittance to serve them the people whose children you raise, the people whose children you raise. So they've got time to get even. Advance have this to say to you. Advance have this to say to you. We are coming for your sports cars and your mansions and your cars and your mansions and your vineyards. We will put the wealth of this country back. We will put the wealth of this country back in the hands of the people who created it. In the hands of the people who created it. Today. Yes. It ends today. It ends and tomorrow we'll start making it fair again. We'll start making it fair again. Promised we would. Just like we promised we would. And until then, ladies and gents, we'll get pissed. I can't argue with that. I can't argue with that. Thank you for your time.
Well, interesting acceptance speech there. Interesting acceptance speech there. Our apologies for the fruity language. And our apologies for the fruity language. Out for you in time. If not, someone's going to be in trouble. If not, someone's going to be in trouble. So, as the country braces itself, that's all from us this evening at the National Night. That's all from us this evening. We'll be back tomorrow with full coverage. We'll be back tomorrow with full coverage of the first day. I'm Jeremy Donaldson. Have a peaceful. I'm Jeremy Donaldson. Have a peaceful.
And we're out. Good job, everybody. And we're out. Good job, everybody.
Right, looks like you've got it now. Thanks for all your help. Probably won't be coming back.
Guau, se estresa, tío. Ez que ez uzten deskantzatzen gehiagi.
Not going for a drink?
No, got a date.
Uf,
Try not to get murdered.
bastante gaizkin detela, segun, bai. Bai, bastante gaizki, tío. Bueno, lortu dut bukatzea, baina... Buah. Bueno. Vale, pues... Pixkat jarraituko, A ver, bueno... Bai, ados. Bueno, ez dakit hain, zerbait dinezake. Vale, eta orduan hemen ikusiko genuke ze gertatuan partidan. Ez dut gustatzen azpitituluak ola egotea, osea, lerro oso bat, hitz batentzako eskeza batere praktikoa. Hobeto zatitu, tío, hobeto zatitu. Ba, bueno. Hau konpontzen erresa da, así que...
Not one to miss. At 9 p.m, sit back and relax with multiple award-winning movie, The Freedom of Being Colin, taking us all...
Bueno,
Right, click on rushes and let's have a look at those.
vale.
Okay, these four screens, they're exactly the same as the four screens that feature the studio signal when you're doing the actual news.
Vale.
Of course, the difference here is you can mute any screen you like or any combination of screens and you can have a listen to what was going on behind the scenes. Just select any segment, that's any bit between ad breaks over on the left and hit play. When you're done checking out the backstage secrets, hit back.
These aren't my cards. Please tell me these aren't my cards.
No, they're the right ones, apparently.
But this gives me nothing, Jenny. They must see that.
Oh no, I think they think you won't have anything to say.
Oh, for God's sake, come on. It's a huge day. He's not an...
Bueno, vale. Hori, pues divertigarriagoa da, bereziki kontenido asko dagoenean, bueno, ba, momentu enten, ez nahi liluratzen ere, hori ikusten pasatzak denbora, hori esan. Vale, lehengo eguna bukatu da, 3. egunera, goaz. Vale, gutun bat iritsi da. Bueno, gutunak iritsi dira. Vale, eta batek atentzio ditzen dizu. Irikiten zu, claro. Vale. Osea que Ale Winston deitzen naiz, bueno, dana alako, vale? Pues vaya. Ba... Segun, baina... Bo. Argi eta garbi. Ba, egia esan. Ba, emango jo bidea pizkat. Vale. Pues aurrea. Egia esan, gameplay bat ikusiten ekan horrena, eta zati honek pixkat rolloa mozteit, zen nik netena da realizazio gelan egon, ez testo bete, bueno. Ba, ez nuke hori izango, baina... Vale. Momentuz, gutxien gustatzen zaitena trama politikoa edo da, porque dauka rollo bat ez zitena gehi komentitzen momentuz. A ver. Baina mendik aurrera ez ikusi, Osea, hone arte ikusita neuko, baina mendik aurrera ez ikusi. Vale, ados, bai. Joder, berriro.
Let's get the power on. Come on,
Ah, bai, vale. Ah,
the bottom 4 plugs on.
eta orain zin berret. Orain ez zaitzen. Ja, indetez? Ah.
Right, let's load up the adverts.
Ah, vale, ados.
You might want to have a bit of a think about it. Your decisions have consequences, don't they?
Vale. A ver, peña. Ez dutela hori jarri nahi, joder. Ez dut ulertzen zein dan... Ah, vale, yeah. Ez dut ulertzen zein dan... Zerk failatzen duen, esartzeko.
Finally got the old headline system up and working again, and the vision mixer's already in headline mode because headlines always come at the start. It's really simple, mate. These two buttons at the bottom of the vision mixer, you can see they now have A and B on them, and they're to help you pick image A on the left bottom screen here, or image B on the right bottom screen here. It's really simple. This little clock here will count down the number of seconds you have to make your decision. Provided you make a decision in that time, you're fine. And you can change your mind as much as you want until the clock reaches 0. But if you don't make any decision, you'll be fired before you even get to make another choice. I just want to say one more thing, mate. The pictures you choose to show of these people, well, that's how the public is going to perceive them, and that's going to affect their lives. So like with the adverts, choose carefully. And we're off. Good luck, mate. If I get time, I'll call you back in the next break. Yeah, I'm coming, darling.
Janet says theirs gets really hot.
Is this Janet who thinks dogs have their own secret language?
Yeah, the one that mistrusts the moon.
10 seconds, everybody.
Not the best source of consumer advice, though.
Vale.
Don't ring me when it explodes. Going in 5, 4, 3.
Good evening, I'm Jeremy Donaldson. Our main headlines tonight. Destination unknown. At the end of Advance's first full week in office, we ask exactly who's leading this charge. Tonight, I'll be discussing what the new future might hold with a leading economist and radical free thinker. With the Assets and Wealth Act on the brink of raising living standards for the vast majority of the country, I'll be asking my guests if we're on the way to a new future. Out with the old, Remington Swiss have appointed Sophia Remington as their new CEO. The following photo.
Ez balin bau polemika sortzen, así que, a ver.
At the tender age of 23,
Ah, osea, que hemen dago, vale, kontadorea, vale, ados.
Sophia Remington's appointment is a risk for the giant mega corporation. Sophia, as our regular viewers will be aware, has always been a wild child.
Movida bada, porque nola...
Movie star.
Eskizita ematen denbora, ulertzeko guztia eta jarraitzeko orduan egia esan ez dakit zer ari naizen potentziatzen, ze irudei naizen potentziatzen, baina bueno.
Intrepid scientist Dr. David Moore and marine biologist Ingrid Swarsborg and Horgensford
Ba,
today set off to explore Dante's taint. The recently discovered cave system was previously thought unreachable, but thanks to a new breakthrough in underwater flower technology, the pair hope to successfully reach the imposing central cavern and the undiscovered plant species it contains. Many were surprised when the two scientists, who've shared a fractious rivalry for many years, decided to undertake this expedition in each other's company. However, the two have released a joint statement in which they opine geniuses don't have to like each other to achieve remarkable results. Playing the field, rumours abound as sporting legend Johnny Hamsleaves is snapped leaving Bush. The footballer was caught while celebrating being
ba,
Sports Personality of the Year last week.
ikusiko ea ze pasatzen da honekin.
And judging from the angle and velocity of that spray, it looks like Johnny may have been celebrating a little bit too much. I certainly wouldn't want to be his strike team. And Greer's bodily charm. With advance promising a radical new...
Imaginatzen dut,
How afraid should we actually
ez nagoela lagun asko egiten,
around the country to talk with people who've seen the criminal
baina
from every perspective. With more and more powers passing to the police and less oversight, are we using an advanced-shaped sledgehammer to crack a nut? All that and Megan Wolf with a group of young actors already experiencing the positive side of the new Assets and Wealth Act firsthand. They'll be talking and performing later. That's all coming up on tonight's National Nightly News.
bueno, bastante ondo edo, espero, Vale. Joder, pasatu zait guztiz hori, goizegi. Vale, ja.
With the government's swift enactment of the Assets and Wealth Act, we're talking about Advance's first week in office and what the new future holds. Joining me are Katie Brightman, a leading economist, and Alan James, author of Alan James is Right, The Free Man's Guide to Waking Up. Alan, the government certainly haven't dragged their heels on
Ja hor, bia sartu behar, nun? Esan nuke, aurkeztu ditunean, igual biak,
Still vassal slaves, we're just in prettier cages.
a confident dismissal there. Katie Brightman, do you agree?
I'm afraid I don't, no. I think that Advance have realised that the current economic system of unlimited, unending growth is untenable, so they're changing things up.
There I agree with you.
ui,
They're moving to
no.
the next steps
Men.
in the grand plan.
Grand plan, Alan.
It's all in my book. Alan James is right, Jeremy. We're to become the great herd, ignorant, sterile, and short-lived. That's what they want.
Or perhaps Advance have just realised that if we carry on the way we are, we will destroy ourselves and this planet in a mad orgy of consumption, if you'll excuse the colourful metaphor.
Yes, orgy is the right word. Only it'll be the overlords having an orgy on our poor broken backs. It's all in my book. Alan James is...
Shamelessly self-promoting. Katie, how do you think the rest of the world will respond to this new approach?
I think they're watching carefully. Advance are the most disruptive threat that the world powers have faced since the last Great War.
Yes, Katie's right. War is inevitable.
Thank you. That isn't
And this will not be a war like we've ever seen before. We're talking millions of deaths. We're talking high-tech weapons that can level entire cities. We're talking...
Out of the wrong orifices?
Ai, hor, pasatu inaiz.
Poison your food and they take
Joder.
you away to their camps for hypno-brainwashing. We'll be laughing then.
That might be a great way to sell books, Alan, but you know full well that isn't going to happen.
I am.
Democracy is dead.
Yes, Advance are radical, and change is always frightening, but the truth is that the Wealth and Assets Act has made more than 90% of the population wealthier and is on target to produce a permanent end to poverty.
Bollocks! What this young lady doesn't understand, Jeremy, is that these are the same people. Maybe they've
Te
really...
pasatu ahor.
But it's all a little circus act to keep us from seeing the tyrant behind the curtain.
That's where you're wrong, Alan. For a start, they've mobilised the youth vote like we've never seen
You
before.
say mobilize, I call it grooming. The grooming of an entire generation to walk happily into eternal bondage. They're like psychic paedophiles.
But based on the facts. Katie, what are your predictions?
The Assets and Wealth Act is only the first step. Advance now have a historic budgetary surplus, and as well as properly funding our public services, they're already funneling unprecedented amounts into scientific research in the arts.
Or, as I call them in my book, Frankensteins and opiates. Like opiates, see?
Can we get back to the issue at hand, please, Alan?
This is the issue. It's all coming from the water, the chemicals, they're pumping it full of belief juice.
Don't get me wrong, I want to see these changes, but only if they're sustainable. If Advance lose their power after spending half of our GDP on dismantling infrastructure, that could be catastrophic.
The catastrophe is that they're succeeding. They've got us sat here talking about their puppet show.
All right, we're running out of time. Quickly, Alan, what does the future look like to you?
A bleak space where we've all been figuratively sodomized into submission.
Of course. Katie?
We might be on the eve of a brave new world. God knows we need some change, but we need to be cautious. Let's walk forwards with our eyes open.
Two very different visions of the future there. Alan James, Katie Brightman, thank you for joining me. When we come back, I'll be investigating law and order before Megan meets some beneficiaries of the Assets and Wealth Act. That's all coming up tonight on the National Nightly News.
1 minute back.
You know, I think they might do some good.
I hope so too, Jeremy.
How much are you being paid by them then?
Stop that, Alan. I've never
Fua.
How's it going, actually? Fuck it, I don't care. I hate the fucking news. Oh, bloody hell, I love this tune, though. Alright, mate, see you later. Bye.
Egia esan, deskontrola handia da, Deskontrola handia da. Osea, da mega txarra, ez? Bueno. Vale. A ber, alde hona da nola, oso gaizki jokatuten berriz jokatzeko emati dela. Vale. Vale, ados. Orain beste tipo hau sartu behar da.
Advance have already tasked what they are calling a solutions team to move this serious social problem to the top of the list. Tonight, we go behind the headlines to meet the people who live with the criminal justice system every day of their lives. First up, we have Gregory Judge, a lawyer who sees the problems close up on the front line. Can you hear me, Gregory?
Yes, I've got you, Jeremy. Thanks for having me.
What's it like on the front line of the hard face of the cold hand of justice?
Well, as you can
Bueno.
imagine, Jeremy, we are massively understaffed in this country. We're working every hour we can just to try and cope with the caseloads on our desks.
It must affect the quality of support you can offer.
Well, we can barely keep up with demand, Jeremy. There just simply isn't enough being done at a systemic level to relieve the problem. We need more support from ministers. We need change at a structural level,
I'm
Jeremy.
leaving, Greg.
Not a good time, darling.
It never is it? I'll be at my mother's.
Just hang on. Oh, the problem isn't a local one, Jeremy. It's nationwide. Just give me 5 minutes. I'm talking to Jeremy.
Wey, tranqui.
Well, the affairs of the Justice Department that we should be concerned about.
Hello, Mr. Donaldson.
Hello, Mrs. Jones.
We need legislation to relieve the pressure on our public
Sorry
service.
to interrupt the news, Mr. Donaldson. Can I have a moment to tell my husband I'm leaving him?
Yes, I totally understand. Quite the picture of a burdened legal sector there. Gregory Judge, thank you for joining us. Next, I'm joined by Police Chief Constable Bob Peel, a man with a very different perspective on our nation's crime. Do you think there's a problem with the system, Bob?
I'm sure we all do, Jeremy. I'm sure we all long for a return to the days when you could safely walk the streets of your community at night, looking in through windows and generally
Vale.
terrorized by some
Espabilado, vale.
or cosh.
So you feel the streets simply aren't safe anymore? Where have we gone wrong, Bob?
Well, that's not a simple question, Jeremy, but I think it all comes down to moral decay. We've diluted our culture and lost touch with what it means to be a citizen of this once great country. Also, as the vicar noted in Sunday's sermon, we probably shouldn't have banned hanging.
And to what do you attribute this moral decay?
Foreigners, gays and gypsies mainly. It's all in the Bible. Look, Leviticus clearly states that... Oh, bugger, hang on a moment. Jeremy, your bloody gimp's escaped. Delia, could you give me a little help, please, dear? As I was saying, Jesus didn't like immigrants much, did he?
And just to be clear, you think it's the immigrants who are responsible for the moral decay?
Absolutely, Jeremy. Back in your box, Clive. Back in your box. Delia, I really could use a little help with this.
Vale.
Yes, I'm talking to Jeremy Donaldson. Clive, could you put him back in his box?
And whose responsibility is it to make a change, Bob?
Well, it is certainly not the responsibility of the decent, good, white people of this... Oh, hold on just a moment. Clive, I am not having this again.
Caca. Uix. Es que hau zaila zen, A ber, nondik anen behar den. Vale, bigarren blokea, vale.
Actually, fuck it, I don't care. I hate the fucking news. Oh, bloody hell, I love this tune, though. Alright, mate, see you later. Bye.
Ez dakit zenbat, 3 kapitulo daude igota, eta ez dakit lehenengo kapituloak zenbat irauten duen. Asmoa neukan, kapitulo osoa egiteko, baina ez dakit nik. Ez dakit. Igual informatibo bukatzean utziko dut. Venga.
Welcome back. In our second segment, we're going to be taking a deep dive into the state of law and order in our country. Advance have already tasked what they are calling a solutions team. Of their lives. First up, we have Gregory Judge, a lawyer who sees the problems close up on the front line. Can you hear me, Gregory?
Yes, I've got you, Jeremy. Thanks for having me.
What's it like on the front line of the hard face of the cold hand of justice?
Well, as you can imagine, Jeremy, we are massively understaffed in this country. We're working every hour we can just to try and cope with the caseloads on our desks.
Which must affect the quality of support you can offer.
Well, we can barely keep up with demand, Jeremy. There just simply isn't enough being done at a systemic level to relieve the problem. We need more support from ministers. We need change at a structural level,
I'm
Jeremy.
leaving, Greg.
Not a good time, darling.
It never is it? I'll be at my mother's.
Just hang on. The problem isn't a local one, Jeremy. It's nationwide. Just give me 5 minutes. I'm talking to Jeremy Donaldson.
Oh, have you mentioned your affairs?
Well, the affairs of the Justice Department.
Ay. ¿Qué va?
Hello, Mrs. Judge.
We need legislation to relieve the pressure on our public
Sorry
servants.
to interrupt the news, Mr. Donaldson. Can I have a moment to tell my husband I'm leaving him?
Yes, I totally understand. Quite the picture of a burdened legal sector there. Gregory Judge, thank you for joining us. A man with a very different perspective on our nation's crime. Do you think there's a problem with the system, Bob?
I'm sure we all do, Jeremy. I'm sure we all long for a return to the days when you could safely walk the streets of your community at night, looking in through windows and generally enjoying your neighbours without the risk of being terrorised by some thug with a knife or cop.
So you feel the streets simply aren't safe anymore? Where have we gone wrong, Bob?
Well, that's not a simple question, Jeremy, but I think it all comes down to moral decay. We've diluted our culture and lost touch with what it means to be a citizen of this once great country. Also, as the vicar noted in Sunday's sermon, we probably shouldn't have found hanging.
And to what do you attribute this moral decay?
Foreigners, gays and gypsies mainly. It's all in the Bible. Look, Leviticus clearly states that... Oh, bugger, hang on a moment. Jeremy, you bloody gimps escaped. Delia, could you give me a little help, please, dear? As I was saying, Jesus didn't like immigrants much, did he?
And just to be clear, you think it's the immigrants who are responsible for the moral decay?
Absolutely, Jeremy. Back in your box, Clive. Back in your box. Delia, I really could use a little help with this.
I'm sorry, darling. I was staying the Badgers.
Yes, I'm talking to Jeremy Donaldson. Clive.
Uf. Sufritzen nahi naiz, benetan.
And whose responsibility is it to make a change, Bob?
Well, it is certainly not the responsibility of the decent
Buf,
people of this... Oh, hold on just a moment. Clive, I am not having this again. As I was saying, Jeremy, moral decay. Crime is the responsibility of the criminal, no one else. Look, everyone has a sob story, but we don't all end up as barbarians, do we? Look, when our daughter Alice comes home with an A-, does she go on a killing spree? No, she takes 3 of her pills and hides under the stairs like a normal child.
Thank you, Bob. Bob Peel there, really locking down the police's... And finally tonight, hopefully uninterrupted, it's time to get to the heart of the matter. Tony Dawson has recently been released from prison after serving 3 years for aggravated assault, burglary and menacing a swat. He's agreed to talk to us today, which is also, I believe...
buah. Egia esan, bastante estresantea,
Cheers, Jazz. Call me Titwank, Tony. Everybody else does.
No, I'm not going to be doing that. Can you tell us what it's like in prison, Tony?
Titwank, Tony. Prison's a mixed bag. Structure's quite nice, but It's a constant battle against institutionalization, as you can imagine. And obviously, titwanks are quite hard to come by.
I'm picking up that you're not alone in there, Tony.
Titwank Tony. Yeah, sorry, my friends are throwing me a surprise party. Good bunch of lads.
Okay, well, we're trying to get back to that party as soon as possible. First, let me ask you this. Do you feel that your time spent in prison helped to rehabilitate you in any way, Tony?
Titwank Tony. I don't think it's as easy as that, Jez. I think asking that is an oversimplification.
It sounds like it's getting quite busy there, Tony, but let's try and soldier on. Since leaving custody, have you been able to find a new job?
Yeah, all the boys are here. Big Chris, Little Chris, and Vampire Chris. One sec, love. Titwank Tony's on the loose.
Bueno, bastante hondo.
It's just not set up for it, you know? It's inherently unjust.
So, do you feel tempted to... I'm sorry, who's this now?
You are joking. Chrissy Free Bollocks has only got Mr. Fancy, oh. What now, fellas? I'm on the news.
It seems like we've caught you at a bad time.
I can't really hear you, mate. It's getting a bit busy here.
Yes, we seem to be losing the signal here, Tony.
Wait, Las Bolitas!
Well, we're just trying to get that signal back. I think we... Yes? Tony? Tony, I mean, we were literally away for 2 seconds. How has this happened, Tony? Can you hear me? Well, we seem to have lost our...
Se estresa y eso.
About to gain a broader understanding of the serious and complex issues around law and order. After the break, Megan will be live with some lucky young thespians. Don't go away. We'll be back after these messages.
1 minute back, everybody.
Well, piss off.
Smooth, incisive journalism.
I can have you fired.
Joder. Bai, ez nago batera ondo egiten. Baina nire alde esan behar dut, bizitza realean ere koordinazio maila berdina akatela, Osea, bereziki gaizkien baten zaita hau bizitza realean ere. Así que, bueno, balioit, konsolatzeko aunque sea balioit. Hemen jende asko dago. Aurkezlea bat izangoa, ez? Eobi? Ez dakit oso ondo baten zer daun? Egia zen. Vale. Joder, vale. Liatu ina, vale. Hori nahi tegoa. Tranqui.
We are, Megan. We're overwhelmed, to be honest.
And I believe you two are sisters, is that right?
Yes.
Charlotte's my oldest.
I'm the older, more popular one. Only joking.
Harriet and Trey were really the ones who came up with the whole idea.
So, Harry and I were shooting the breeze in the cafeteria, and I said, hey, let's actually do something.
So I went to look for a drama teacher.
But she'd been laid off due to budget cuts. Fortunately, I directed a pantomime when I was at university, so I knew...
Vale.
You're the maths teacher, aren't you?
Yes, that's me. Jeff Algebra, maths teacher.
Maths is really important.
Oh, thanks, Steve.
Maths is really important.
Yeah, thanks, Steve.
As is theatre. It's one of the oldest art forms in history. Aristotle believed. I just think that when we travel around all these troubled schools and the
Vale.
they say, hey, I really want to be like those attractive kids. And that's a very beautiful and powerful thing. We touch our audiences and they touch us right back.
I suppose with a surname like Algebra, there was really only one choice of career for me.
Egia esan, ez dakat idearik komentatzen nahi, zaidian esaten. Osea, nago, gestoengatik...
Song and joy into people's lives.
And teach people about the difficult issues. The issues in the play are what really matter.
And I think you're going to be showing us an extra
Osea, euskaraz ez dakin bat, txapelketa nagusiko bekiko finala grabatzen bezala. Hola, no.
It's like a metaphor. Maybe she's you at home, or like maybe she's you, Megan.
Yeah, thanks, Steve. Put it in, coach. Yes, thanks, Steve.
Right, well, I'm going to have a little chat with you.
Vale.
Get ready, I can't wait to see it.
A ber, berdera iritsi naiz, hoi ez dago gaizki. Ai, bale, bai. Ze? Ze pasatzen bain? Ez dut ulertzen ze pasatzen dan. Ah, joder, bale.
How did you react?
A ber.
But then Harriet and Trey rescued it.
Karo.
Rang the number, the bottom of the page, and next thing you know, we're on tour.
Ba, osea, nik uste nun, ingo zuela ia aktuazioa, baina ez dut egin behar. Oraindik. Bueno, ez dakit ez aktuazio egin behar duten, osea, hori beste bada. Pentsatzen dut aktuazio egingo dutela.
DIY show back in the day, and so we thought, why not? Let's have a go with this whole democracy thing.
Okay.
And here we valley well are.
Good stuff.
Fucking brilliant!
So, let's have a look at
Vale, fucking, en serio fucking zentsuratu behar dut? No me jodas.
Dear Diary, I'm not sure I can take another day at this school.
Vale.
Day of tears. Another day of fears. But still I walk the corridors alone. Dreading what might be around every corner.
What's around the corner? What's around the corner? What's around the corner?
Ei, non sartu zate?
Hi, Gary.
Oh heavens, no! It's Gary the Fifth.
Gary the Fist.
Ah,
Going somewhere, little first year?
Great. I've been looking for some poor victim to bully all morning, but will this make me feel better about my violent father?
Excuse me. I'm late for maths. It's my favourite subject. So important.
What? Maths is for losers. My arm's stuck. Just keep going for fuck's sake. Right. Maths is for losers. Now, give me your lunch money.
Double lunch for me today, but why am I only truly happy when I'm eating?
Not today, Gary the Fist.
What do you mean not today? Who are you? Oh, my arm's Rico. Brilliant. Keep going. Right. Who are you to stand up to me? I'm Gary the Fist, and you're just a sad little girl with two gay dads who's all alone.
That's where you're wrong, Gary the Fist. These are my two new friends. Vanessa is captain of the netball team.
Yeah.
And Blake owns a motorbike.
Yeah.
But I can't fight all three of you, and I don't have any friends of my own.
egia esan... egia esan ez dakit oso ondo... Vale. Honek ematen du. Ah, ojo. Vale. Espa, hola. Joder, ze gaizki? Ez. Bueno, vale. Vale, orain bat. Uste dut. Oh, plan hori hona zen. A ver, hau. Joder.
Hey, kids, I'm Gary the Fist. People think that folks like me probably shouldn't exist, but that's just prejudice, and I'd do better if you knew the way that I became Gary
Venga. Nahiko nuke gorrira osea, berdera iritsi, baina ez dakit iritsiko naizen.
Hitting women is wrong.
Ai.
Just work as a team. It's your choice to be me. It's my choice.
So stop now, make a different choice.
Listen to that inner voice.
Friendship!
Bueno, ya, claro.
Thankfully, that's all we have time for tonight on the National Night.
Ey, joder.
Join us tomorrow night for all the headlines from across the country. My name's Jeremy Donaldson. Have a peaceful night.
And we're out.
Vale. Frena. Berdera iritsi naiz, ondo. Niretzako hori lorro bat. Vale.
But let's make it so.
I have a similar belief about adequate paycheck.
Oh, someone please get these twats out of my studio.
Vale, pues bukatu dut. Nik hemen utziko nuke. Osea, logiko iruditzen zait hemen ustea. Vale. Bueno. Ez nahi zei egiten munduko partidoia, baino, vale. Eta hemen gauzak erosteia, dekorazioa, a ber. Vale, pues adibidez hau, eta... Vale, ai, claro, ezakate. Ados. Ja, igual ekipazioa. Igual jarriet munduan zegoen gauza absurdo eta ridikuloena, eta ez ditut gauza zentzuzkoak erosi. Bueno. Vale, aurrengoako ja badakit. Vale, orduan hori gordekoet, eta aterako naiz, eta parte bukatzen hemen. Espero gustatu izana, eta laizter jarraituko dut segurazki, porque grazit egiten jokoa da, egia esan. Eta hori. Vale. Vale. Pues